Good morning, my dear students. Now I am going to explain about fifth class social studies topic. Where we are living on earth. Where we are living on earth. On earth. That means one among the planets we are living. How many planets we have? 8 planets we have. Okay, where we are living? Earth. Earth is one of the planet. On earth, which are located continents, oceans are located. Our topic is the earth, continents, our earth, continents, and oceans. Our earth. Our earth, continents, and oceans. Okay. Where we are living? On earth. Earth is one of the planets. Just now I asked you, how many planets are there? 8 planets. What are they? Tell me. You remember this code. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. My very energetic mother just served us noodles. If you remember this code, automatically we are able to remember the planets, all the planets. My Mercury, very Venus, E, Earth, M, Mars, Jupiter,
Just
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Now Pluto is not considered as planet. How many planets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Where we are living? Yes, on earth. It is located on third position. When we are watching from the sun, earth position is third. Okay, earth. Already in the previous classes you learned, okay, regarding earth. You learned about the earth. 71% land water area is presented here. 29% land area is presented here. Where? On earth. 71% water area, 29% land area. Okay, earth shape is circle. Earth shape is circle. Is it completely circle shape? Tell me. No. It is not completely circle shape. How you will compare earth? Tell me anybody. If you have any orange in your house, take orange fruit. Okay, take orange fruit. Which fruit? You compare orange fruit with earth. I will show you. This is orange fruit. It is not completely circle. If you see orange fruit, what you are observing? this north, okay, north side and south side you observe. North side and south side. North side you are observing flat part. Then bottom part, south side, you are observing flat part. In the middle, bulgy, okay. So bulgy kind of area you are observing. Here it is a bulgy, here flat, bottom flat. Do you understand? Okay. So surely you will compare this with Earth. This is North Pole. Top part is North Pole, down part is South Pole. This is bulgy. Same Earth is look like, okay na, orange. That means Earth shape is orange. Do you understand? Okay. Before that I told you 71% Earth area contains water. Actually it is called as blue planet. Which planet is called as blue planet? Earth. Why? If you go to the space, if you observe the Earth from the space, how it will appear? It's look like blue. Why? On Earth, okay, majority of the area covered by the water. Majority of the area covered by water. That means 71% already I written. That's why it is look like okay. It is look like blue. That's why Earth is called as which planet? Blue planet. Do you understand? Okay, this is all about our Earth. That is the introduction part of our Earth. Now I will explain you about continents. Now I will explain you about continents. How many continents we have? 7. What are they? Even a kid give the answer regarding this. Number 1, Asia. Number 2, Africa. Number 3, North America. Number 4, South America. Number 5, Antarctica. Number 6, Europe. Number 7, Australia. How many continents we have? 7. What are they? Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, Australia. 7 continents. Okay. How we will determine this is a continent? These continents surrounded by large stretches of water. These large stretches of water called as oceans. Okay. Large masses of land area, large mass of land area covered by water or else separated by water. This mass of land is called continents. Do you understand this definition? Large mass of land area covered or separated by oceans, that is called as continents. Do you understand? That is the definition we have regarding the continents. Regarding one by one continent, I will explain you very clearly. First of all, I will explain you about Asia. Now, we are going to discuss about which continent? Asian continent. You tell me, where we are living? Yes, India. India is our country. Okay, na? India is our country. So, see, this is Asian continent. Which continent? Asian continent. India is located here. Where India is located? In Asian continent, India is located. Now we will see the boundaries of Asian continent. Okay? Here, south part, Indian Ocean is located. Here India is located. That's why, especially for this ocean, which name given? Indian Ocean name given. East side, Pacific Ocean is surrounded. Pacific Ocean located east side. Then north side, Arctic Ocean is located. Arctic Ocean is located. Here Africa is located. Here Europe is located. Three sides of Asian continent. Okay. Which oceans are located? Arctic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean. These oceans are located. Okay. First boundaries I have written. South side, Indian Ocean. East side, Pacific Ocean. North side, Arctic Ocean. These oceans are boundaries of Asian continent. If you see the planet Earth, planet in the sense our planet Earth, one third of land area, this Asian continent covers. How much part Asian continent covers here? One third. Okay, na? One third. Then highest peaks in the world located in Asian continent. Highest peaks. For example, Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Mount Everest. Highest peaks in the world located in which continent? Asian continent. Okay. Most populous countries in the world are also located in Asian continent. Populous countries. China is the most populous country in the world. India is the second largest populous country in the world. Most populous countries are located in Asian continent. Highest peaks in the world located in Asia. One third of the land area it covers. Which one? Asian continent. Okay. Variety of landforms are located. Variety of landforms are located in Asian continent. Do you understand? Okay. Then subcontinent countries are located. Subcontinent countries in the sense India, Pakistan, here Nepal, here Bangladesh. Okay. These countries are located here. Why these countries are called as subcontinent countries? These countries sharing same kind of geographical variations. Okay, same kind of cultures they are sharing. That's why it is called as subcontinent countries. This is all about Asian continent. This is the largest continent. First largest continent in the world is Asia.
Yeah. First largest.
Boundaries I've written here. South, Indian Ocean is located. East, Pacific Ocean is located. Then north, Arctic Ocean is located. 1/3 of the land area covers Asian continent. If you observe our planet, then highest peaks in the world are located in Asian continent. Then variety of landforms are located here. Most populous countries in the world located in where? In Asian continent. Do you understand regarding Asia?
Yes.
In which continent we are living? Asia.
Asia.
Okay na?
Yes.
Okay. Most populous country in the world is China.
China.
After China, India is the second most populous country in the world. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good.